Hi, my name is Stacy with WTI. I'm going to introduce you to modern technology when it comes to your electric self-operating can opener. This awesome can opener from Canslab is the perfect companion in your kitchen to help you with your day. The can opener is fully self-operating. It's battery powered and it comes with a cord so that you can recharge it. The can opener is so easy to use. It kind of looks like a giant computer mouse, and you just place it on the can. Once you press the button on the top, it automatically finds the lip of the can and then starts all the work for you. It fully rotates around the can, and when it reaches back to the beginning, it automatically stops. It really could not be any simpler than that. At the bottom of the can opener is a small button. Once you press that lever down, you can see that it has a little jar opener so that you can take that lid right off the can easily. So it's taken all the work out for you when it comes to opening up your cans. The can opener is really sturdy feeling. It's nice and heavy and durable. It does not feel cheaply made at all. And I really like it because they included a mount that you can stick to the wall and you can hang this can opener up. So you don't have to worry about keeping it in your drawer or looking for it around your kitchen, but rather it's there and ready to go anytime that you need it. I really love that the charge lasts for a long time after charging it, and overall, I'm super happy with this can opener. It really gets the job done for me and takes out all the work of opening up cans in the kitchen, making my cooking days a lot easier. But that's just my point of view.